everyone, in today's video I want to share with you something very powerful. Something very powerful that it will help you to stop negative thinking. Many people, when someone tells them to think more positive or focus on the positive things, on the positive side, those people believe that you don't understand them. And they also believe that focusing on the positive, it won't help them. If you are one of those people, let me tell you how the mind works, how our thinking works, how focusing on the positive helps. If we start thinking about something in our life that it is very important to ourselves, our mind helps us to focus on that thing, to concentrate on that situation, that person or subject. For example, did you ever thought to buy something? A new car, let's say. A specific car. And after that you started to notice on the streets a car like the one you want to buy? Or you started to see commercials on TV, on media, newspaper, about the car you are thinking to buy? Now, if you notice the car or the thing that you wanted to buy, I have a question for you. How come did you started to notice now when you want to buy that thing and not before? It's not that the car didn't exist, isn't it? So then, well, our mind gives us the things we focus on. When something becomes very important to your mind helps you. Your mind brings to you, to your attention, what you want. When you start thinking about something over and over again, your mind concentrates on that subject and helps you to find the subject everywhere in your life. What this means? This means that the mind wants to help you. It helps you to get what you want. It does the things that you are focusing on. Now, the big question is, what are you focusing on? The positive or the negative thinking? If you want the mind to help you, then you need to tell to the mind what you want and not what you don't want. How you want to feel, not how you don't want to feel. If you want to be happy, your mind will help you. But for this, you need to do some things that it will help you to be happy, such as watching comedy movies, start laughing, surround yourself with positive people, have positive, optimistic conversations. If you do this, then your mind will understand that this is what you need and what you want. And when you will start to do this, the mind will work on to bring into your attention more positive, happy people, situations. Now, it won't happen in a minute, of course. You need to work a little on, but remember, your mind will always help you. If you have trained your mind until now to focus just on the negative, think negative, it will take a while to retrain the mind. And this is something that I teach children. If you want, for example, to feel depressed, please take a moment and think of all the unpleasant things that happen in your life. And you will notice that soon your mind will help you to feel worse. The mind, it will bring you lots of negative memories. Do you want to feel anxious? No problem. The mind will help you. Start to imagine, start to think on very bad things that could happen to you or to the loved ones. Do you want to feel good? Stay away of the negative thoughts. Start to focus little by little on the things that are good in your life. And if you practice this every day, you will set the mind to help you to find lots of good things in your life. And this, it will help you feel more happier, more calm and more positive. Stay away of the negative thoughts, negative memories. They don't help you in any way. Our mind is extremely powerful. It's an extremely powerful tool that we can use to create the life we want to live. But for this, we need to make sure we give the right things to the mind to focus on. If we don't do that, then the mind will do the opposite. The mind will harm us, will stop us from doing the things we want, we dream of. So stop engaging with your negative thoughts. I hope this video helped you. I hope that the things that I share with you helped you. And by the way, the things that I share with you are things that I had learned when I struggled with anxiety and with depression. And this is a powerful thing that all people, adult kids, should learn about. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, share it, please, with your friends. Take care, and thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video.